relax, eyes up front, body trusting the wheel. And there you go. Let your body relax. Kind of adjust for you. You don't have to do too much. You let the swinging action occur. It's very interesting. It's been almost 2 months since I got into this amazing EUC sport. My friends in Sweden recommend I try to ride backwards. So I came up with this pendulum exercise to build the courage, engage my back, use the pendulum of the hips, and listen and trust the wheel. Looks something like this. So you just let it rock, and you let it swing. And you don't fight it, but you let it tell you how to counterbalance. And if you relax, the body will actually counterbalance for you. You don't have to do anything. It's kind of cool that this is what you need to do to start riding backwards or forwards. Enjoy.